Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to publish website on HubSpot. Now make sure to go to the official website of HubSpot and log in with your account. Now once you have logged in with your account, you can just go to this left section and from here you can just choose this third option which is called like the content, and from here just click on the first option which is website pages. And once you click on website pages, so you'll be redirected to this type of page where you already have made some kind of page or website. So you can just create the new one if you want to, or if you already have a draft. As you can see, like I already have a draft, so if I open it, and you can also create the new one if you want to. And from here, as you can see, like this is my draft, like a little bit of footer and there's some text. And if I click on publish, so let it load, and as you can see, like it has been published. So that is a simple process. Like let's say that you don't have any kind of draft, so you can just click on create, and from here you can just choose this template if you want to. Let's say I want to select this template, just choose the template, and after that you will be seeing this kind of interface, like where you can add values or text or anything that you want to add. And make sure to select the page title. Like let's say my page title is test. You can write this down, and after that, if I go back, now as you can see, like there is a pop-up or option called publish. You can just click on publish and your page is published. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can publish website on HubSpot. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.